Hello friends, today we will discuss the third part of Teaching Aids part 3, and here we will discuss the audio aids. In audio aids, I would first like to discuss about radio. It is very common type audio aid these days. It can be used in a number of ways for teaching English. A radio lesson helps in a number of ways, such as radio brings subject experts and other great men in the classroom. Lectures, talks and address of important personalities from any corner of the world can be heard. A single broadcast can be heard and understood by a large number of students at a time. The routine and monotonous type of classroom environment is ended by radio program. The general knowledge of the pupil is also enhanced. They are able to have extensive knowledge of everything. The radio becomes a very important medium for leisure time activities. It develops critical thinking of the students. The radio lesson helps the students in the improvement of pronunciation, speech and language. The voice of the speaker on the radio is also heard by the children and they are attracted towards it. Our second audio aid is tape recorder. Magnetic tape recorder now have high quality specifications. It is expensive and portable. It gives a modulate sound quality suitable for most teaching learning purposes. It is ideal for educational users, such as the voice are recorded, can be reproduced at any time in future. Any member can also delete it or erase it. It can be very effectively used for remedial teachers, for skill learning, enrichment, follow-ups, exercises, reinforcement of known skills and review. It is quite expensive as compared to the other electronic gadgets. Their operation is so simple that anyone can use it without any simple training. It can work without electricity power. Production cost of audio cassettes is comparatively much less and affordable by individual students. Tape recorder can be used for learning spelling of the words, good pronunciation, prose, reading, poem, recitation, etc. Record player. Now our third audio aid is record player. The record player or linguaphone is also very useful audio aid. It can be made a talking textbook which relieves the teacher of all repetition. It can be used for teaching pronunciation, stress and intonation. For giving speech practice, the teacher must tap the linguaphone record in between. He should explain the important sounds on the blackboard, or otherwise there he should allow the class to initiate and practice the sound. Some records are available on which well-known speeches are recorded. Listening to those type of records can prepare the students for learning good speakers. A record player can be used for spelling English words. Drill for vocabulary and structures can be given with the help of the record players. Now, let us come to the audio visual aids. By now, we have discussed the visual aids, audio aids, and now we will come to audio visual aids. In our